We have always dreamed of vehicles that transcend the boundaries of reality, vehicles equipped with artificial intelligence and extraordinary capabilities that enable them to reach any location. This dream has become a reality. We present to you 10 extraordinary vehicles that represent the pinnacle of innovation and technology in the world of driving. Get ready to witness the future of off-road exploration unfold before your eyes. We begin our journey with an exceptional vehicle that embodies this dream in reality. Turist ATV. Imagine you're stuck in a swamp, amidst heavy snow, or even trying to cross a shallow river. Worry no more. The Turist ATV is designed to be your perfect companion on every adventure, challenging all terrains without exception. With the Turist ATV, you're ready for a genuine exploratory journey. It can carry 1 ton and 100 kilograms on solid ground, enough to easily transport a large group with all their equipment. To provide the necessary power, this vehicle comes with 2 engine options: a Toyota engine with 220 horsepower or a Cummins engine with 120 horsepower. You can also choose between a manual or automatic transmission. Prices for the Turist ATV start from $65,600 American dollars. And if the Turist ATV suits small exploratory trips, what about larger groups seeking a special kind of adventure? This is where the Torsus Praetorian comes in, the exceptional bus that is considered the world's first heavy-duty 4-wheel drive bus. This unique bus was designed to reach places that regular buses cannot access unless they are dropped by helicopter. The latest version of the Torsus Praetorian comes with a powerful MAN engine with a capacity of 290 horsepower, with a ground clearance of 35 centimeters. Thanks to its sturdy wheels and semi-automatic transmission, this bus can cross water up to a depth of 68 centimeters. All this while being able to transport 35 passengers in complete comfort and safety. Each seat is equipped with a safety belt, a necessary feature for the rough terrain this bus was designed to traverse. The price of the Torsus Praetorian starts from $250,000 American dollars. From buses to smaller and more capable vehicles, we present to you the TROM 20 Burevestnik. This vehicle was designed to overcome any challenge on rough terrain. Snow, mud, swamps, or even crossing rivers, nothing stands in its way. The TROM 20 can carry 5 tons of cargo, and its cabin comfortably accommodates 24 passengers. You may notice the unique wheel design, as this vehicle uses the Robson drive system. This feature helps it significantly on soft surfaces, where the risk of getting stuck increases. Despite its exceptional capabilities, the TROM 20 enjoys an impressive speed of up to 50 kilometers per hour. From vehicles specifically designed for rough terrain to creativity of another kind. What can you do with an old fire truck? A lot. This is exactly what the team at the Real Life Guys channel did. They transformed an antique fire truck into an exceptional expedition vehicle. The result was stunning. They even tested it on the golden sands of Tunisia. The Tunisia experience was a real challenge, as none of the team members had ever driven such a vehicle before. It's astonishing to know the extent of changes made to the truck. It is now equipped with a shower, toilet, and a complete kitchen. It also includes a comfortable relaxation area with a fireplace, not to mention a bed that comfortably fits 3 people. The team didn't forget to upgrade the headlights to LED, and of course, solar panels were installed on the roof of the vehicle, an amazing transformation that inspires every creative person to reuse the old and turn it into a mobile work of art. And now, it's time to sail with the Sputnik 12. It's a vehicle with an air cushion, or more simply, a hovercraft. These vehicles are incredibly versatile. They are perfect for hunting trips on land and sea, as well as for patrols and rescue operations. One of the most important features of hovercrafts, and the Sputnik 12 in particular, is the combination of off-road capability with exceptional speed. The Sputnik 12 can easily handle different terrains, shallow waters, open waters, and even ice. On the lake surface, it reaches speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour and even up to 70 kilometers per hour on dense snow. Additionally, this hovercraft can carry 1.2 tons of cargo, and its cabin accommodates 12 passengers. Now we move to the world of luxury in the heart of the wilderness with LOKI Expedition. Formerly known as LOKI Base Camp, it is designed for adventures in the most remote and isolated places. These vehicles are built on the robust chassis of Ford and Ram trucks. For example, the 2025 Ford F550 model comes with a powerful engine generating 335 horsepower. To ensure warmth during winter trips, this model has been equipped with a special heater. For added comfort when stopping, the vehicle comes with special units in the rear. These units are extremely spacious, available in lengths of up to 4.5 meters, providing ample space for equipment. Solar panels with a capacity of up to 1.6 kilowatts provide the necessary power to operate those devices. These units have been reinforced and protected with a thick layer of strong FRP gel coats to withstand the harshest conditions. Thanks to the double-glazed windows, you can enjoy watching bad weather from inside the warm cabin. We now arrive at the off-road beast in every sense of the word, BTH2, and features a unique all-wheel drive system and a load capacity of up to 600 kilograms, not to mention 4 different designs that meet all needs. For example, the Everest model shown here comes with an aluminum luggage compartment with windows and a 2-seat cabin. For added comfort, the vehicle is equipped with carefully designed details such as window mosquito nets, storage pockets, and a small table. But how does the BTH2 perform on rough terrain? This vehicle comes with differential locks that work to distribute torque equally to all wheels. It has also been equipped with Never off-road axles, which weigh 35 kilograms less than other options. The vehicle's axial frame enhances its durability and maneuverability. Thanks to all these features, the BTH2 becomes the perfect companion for winter hunting trips, as it can easily cross frozen and unfrozen water surfaces, as well as swamps to reach the best fishing spots. All these capabilities are amazing, especially when we know that the BTH2 engine's power does not exceed 37 horsepower. Here is a unique project, Project RHINO from Krug Expedition. Mercedes-Benz has been producing Attigo trucks since 1998 until today, and they have also won in one of the rally races. Since Attigo has proven its worth on rough roads, the RHINO project came to transform it into an exceptional mobile home. This model can overcome difficult roads with an engine generating 231 horsepower and a 4-wheel drive system. It also comes with an adjustable anti-lock braking system, ABS, and an optional semi-automatic transmission system. The project creators offer driving training courses to demonstrate the vehicle's capabilities. Customers can choose from a variety of features, from a sliding dining table to a practical shower compartment. For lovers of comfort in the heart of adventure, we present Bliss Mobil. This team manufactures residential units resembling shipping containers, which can be mounted on almost any truck to transform it into a mobile home. Bliss Mobil units range in length between 4 and 7 meters. For example, the smaller unit is suitable for trucks with a wheelbase ranging between 3.2 and 3.8 meters, which is an ideal design for off-road adventures. Bliss Mobil is considered one of the most durable vehicles in the market. The center of gravity of the units is low and located near the truck's driving cabin. The team has also designed a 4-point diamond-shaped lower frame to provide exceptional stability on rough roads, especially when driving over sand dunes. This tracked vehicle was designed to meet the increasing demand for Arctic vehicles. It is described as simple and reliable, but its specifications reveal unique features. Each side is powered by an electric motor with a maximum capacity of 60 kilowatts, fed by a battery that is charged by a gasoline generator. This system allows the vehicle to travel a distance of up to 1,000 kilometers with additional fuel tanks. Its maximum speed reaches 70 kilometers per hour on land and 10 kilometers per hour on water. It can climb slopes of up to 45 degrees, and thanks to its wide tracks, it reduces pressure on the ground to a minimum. With Terranica, conquer the North Pole with complete confidence. And thus we reach the end of our journey with these 10 extraordinary vehicles that resemble science fiction movie vehicles. Which vehicle impressed you the most? Share your opinions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to watch everything new in the world of vehicles and technology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll explore the future of autonomous driving. Goodbye.